Now I'm all ready to lift this unit up, but you're going to find you need to have somebody to help you with this because we're right up against the wall over here, and I don't want to rub that wall, and I want to get it in there without hitting it. And look who I got with me here. Steve, thank you so much for helping me today.
Roger that.
And Steve, have you ever installed one of these before?
I've watched you do it.
Have you ever helped me do one?
I have, yes.
Oh, that's right, you did. Okay, so we're going to take one of these at a time. We're going to be careful with it. And I'm going to set the video camera up right about here, I guess. And I'm going to be the one right up against the wall there. We're going to lift it up. And I've got my gloves here. And we're going to plop this sucker in there. I've seen a guy put one of these up by himself. I don't know how he did it. He lifted it up on his head or something. Okay, so I'm going to tilt this up, I think. And okay, you got it?
Yeah.
Okay, be careful with it. Okay, ready? Now, we just want to hit the bottom. You got it? Okay, is it good? Okay, just a little bit, wait. Got my glove caught in there. Okay, now you can stand back. Stand back and tell me if I need to go up or down. Stand back over there.
You're good.
Take
it straight in.
I'm hitting at the top.
Down.
Down? There. Okay. Beauty. Okay.
It was meant to be.
It was meant to be. And now we've got one more. This condo had 3 of them, but the other one was just dirty fins, so I'm not replacing that one. We've got this other one, and we're going to bring it in, and we're going to install it over there. So I'm going to set this camera up right here. So, see, there's some light in there because the sun's out. We're going to make sure that we don't have anything that's going to trip us up. Very good. Now this time I'm going to be up against the wall. Let's see, I guess you can get this side over here. Over this side. Okay, I guess I can do it first. Then I'll have to flip around. These units aren't that heavy, they're just awkward. Okay? Just be careful up against the wall. Okay, lift her up. Get your hand out of the way. Line that up. Okay. Now stand back and tell me if I need to go up or down.
Up.
There it is. All right, Steve-O. High five.
I'm off to Star Noodle for dinner.
Oh, you're going to Star Noodle?
Yeah.
Dude, I think I'm going there too.
Are you?
I think so.
You're going after I'm going.
Yeah, that's right, because I still got a little work ahead of me, don't I?
You sure you're square here now?
I'm square here. That's all I needed you for. Okay. I got my old units, but I'm going to put those back together. I'm going to put them in the same cardboard boxes. I'm going to leave them set in here for tonight. Okay.
Come back in the morning and grab them?
Well, I don't know. I might leave them here. The person's cleaners aren't going to be here for 2 days. Okay. And so I might even put these on Craigslist. I might get somebody, they still work. I might get 40 bucks out of them. I don't know. I might do that for a day, and then I've got somebody to take them, and then he'll take them all apart and he'll recycle them. Because see, you got the fins. All this stuff is aluminum, and you got all this copper that's all inside this unit. You can take it all apart, but you got to first reclaim the freon. Don't just cut one of those lines, let the freon go out into the atmosphere, okay? If you're going to do something like that. There's money to be made in some of these. Or you can just take them to a recycler, and they might not charge you anything to drop them off. Okay? All right. Thank you again.
Okay, Mike. Take it easy.
All right. I might see you there at dinner.
Call me if you need me tomorrow, okay?
Okay. Thank you, sir. And he's off. See, that part, I can't, if those were down low, I've seen some down low, then I could lift it up and just kind of mosey it on into an opening that's down low. But up high, I just can't do it. Okay? Now, before I do anything, my next step, is I've got to caulk that line now. Keep her going. That's all I have for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.